Commercial properties includes office buildings, medical centers, hotels, malls, retail stores, multi-family housing building, farmland, warehouses and garbages. In many states, residential property containing more than a certain number of units qualifies as commercial properties for borrowing and tax purposes.
Hi friends, welcome back to Interior Makeover. My name is Khushi Jaiswal. I'm an interior designer and stylist. Today I will talk about types of commercial premises.
Commercial premises refer to building or land that have the potential to generate a profit from rental income or capital gain. The commercial premises industry is specific in defining sector that make up this category of buildings. Here are the different types of commercial premises are office, retail, industry, leisure and healthcare. When it comes to deciding whether to buy, rent, or lease office space for your business, there's no one size fits all answer. The type of commercial property you get depends on the specific goals and needs of your business. You will need to determine how much space you will need. So ask yourself, how many employees do I have? What sort of industry I am in? How much do we plan to grow? You also need to be aware of your financial position and whether or not you have the capital to buy a place of your own. Last but certainly not least, location is key. Know your target market and demographics and where they are located. Your desired location may restrict your option for buying or leasing commercial offices. A standalone retail shop often has a lower rent but less passing traffic than a shop in a shopping center. Draw cards like large department stores attract consumer or a customer to shopping centers. These increases the traffic flow of potential customer and by the extension the rent. An industry is a group of manufacture or business that produce a particular kind of goods or services. Workers in the textile industry design, fabricate, and sell clothes. The tourist industry includes all the commercial aspect of tourism. Our real strength in the laser sector is our ability to understand a client existing customer and to find a way to grow the business without alienating them. We analyze the site and work out what will give the desired outcome, whether that's groundwork, external or internal branding, lighting, specifying furniture, or designing the flow of the space. Modern day hospitals today strongly believe that the quality of patient care is being directly influenced by the quality of interiors in a healthcare environment. As a result, healthcare interior design has now gained its due importance in healthcare establishments to help patients heal historically. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest update. If you have any query, please ask me in the comment section. Bye. See you next time.